To achieve success on YouTube, clarify your objectives, whether it's building a large subscriber base, generating revenue, or establishing authority in your niche. Produce engaging, valuable, and well-produced videos that resonate with your target audience. Regularly upload content to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to improve discoverability in search results. Foster a sense of community by responding to comments, asking for feedback, and interacting with your viewers. Share your videos across social media platforms, collaborate with other YouTubers, and participate in relevant online communities to expand your reach. Explore various monetization options such as ads, sponsorships, merchandise, and memberships to generate revenue. Use YouTube Analytics to track your performance, identify trends, and refine your content strategy accordingly. By consistently creating high-quality content, engaging with your audience, and optimizing your channel for growth, you can increase your chances of success on YouTube.